Hi, this is Quinn with Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink, and today I'm going to show you how to make updates to our graphic design templates. So once you have Illustrator open, you're going to come up here to the top left to File, and then Open. You're going to navigate to the Farm and the Templates folder and find which template you want to make an update to and open it. For this one, I'm making an update to our hat layer in the template, so I'm going to find that layer and turn it on. And I'm going to click into where I want to edit. So this one, I want to edit in this locked layer so that when we are designing in here, it's not going to be accidentally moving those assets around. So I'm going to unlock it. I'm going to grab the changes that I want to make. I've already made them in another one just for the sake of shortening this video. So I'm going to click into that locked layer and I'm going to paste what I want in here. So this is an update we've made to our proof to show what areas are getting puff embroidery and what's regular so that the customer can clearly see what it is, as well as embroidery can send that to the digitizer so that we get the result we want from that. So I've put that in this layer. Now I can lock this again, and then I'm just going to reset this back to how it was when I got in here. So I'm going to collapse this. I'm going to turn this layer back off, and then I'm just going to center this back in my screen. However you save it is how it will open back up. So we want to make sure that it's just back in a neutral state so that no matter what job we're working on, it's easy to navigate. So then I'm going to come up here to File, then Save As. I'm going to change this to an Illustrator template. And I'm just going to single click on the previous version, and that will just paste the name down here. And then all I'm going to do is change this R number at the end, which stands for revision, to one number up, and hit save. And so now we've got two of these in here, so I'm going to take this one and I'm going to move the old one into old templates. We always want to save all of our previous files in case we accidentally remove something, or if we want to roll back to an old version, we have them all on hand. And then you've updated a template.